Well, this was a tough one. Got all the lights on here. We shut the switch off here. We can come down here and turn that switch on. And then all the lights come on. That was something. The power company here does not believe in a separate neutral and a separate ground. They're both the same. Out there on the main panel, yeah, they just run the ground right into the neutral. So anyway, it's in here, and tomorrow I'm gonna work on this gas line. I had a choice. My tubing cutter doesn't cut this big, and to buy a new one, they're expensive as all heck. And this thing leaks a little bit. I'll show you. So for about 10 days now, I've had this gas main completely shut off and locked it. I was going to cut that gas pipe down there, waiting for fittings, but it's a good thing I didn't, because even though that shut off, it still brings out the gas. And I don't really want to call the gas company and start some big thing. I don't know if it's normal or what, but I don't know if it's normal or what, but like I said, that's been shut off for 10 days. And about every 10 minutes, you can come in here. You can see the flame. Now, it went out, but still, it's leaking a little bit of gas. So anyway, pipe cutter is, my pipe tubing cutter is just too small for this. And 80 or 90 bucks just to cut this, I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to use Sawzall. I'm going to do it tomorrow. I'm all set up here. Once I cut that out, I'll put this valve in here, and then I won't ever have to worry about it. But their valve out there leaks. So anyway, we got the lights going. That's a good thing. So yeah, get that cleaned up, get that plywood on there, a little bit of trim, clean this up, and onward to the front of this place, and we'll start fixing that up. Almost forgot, we wired this stairway into the panel. We've got a new 15 amp breaker just for that. I did that because I'm going to probably split this and get rid of this one light here, maybe put one or two lights in here. But so that's why I went and used one breaker and didn't do anything else, because I'm going to power some more lights down here. Anyway, see ya.